guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a video of comparison of Aura and NIOS. So let's check the difference between both the cars. Coming to the first, let's start with the keys only. So left side has a brown finish of NIOS keys and right side a black finish of Aura key. One is keyless entry, one is with key entry. Key entry as a NIOS and keyless entry as a Aura, better future. Coming to keys, these both are the keys of both the cars, and this is the NIOS left side and this is the Aura right side. Coming to NIOS, these projected setup of LED lights, projected setup of headlights are same coming to the Aura design, same, no changes in between. Fog lamps also same design, nothing much difference, only changes in the bumper design, grill design at the front. Detail you get the grill design in the lines treatment of the silver finish, and in the coming to Aura, here you get the spokes and tiger grill finish of dots and gloss black finish of grill. Number plate position is also same comparison, nothing much difference, and engine placement is also same. 1 liter manual transmission, 1 liter automatic transmission NIOS has, and I have done both the cars of test drive of manual and automatic 1 liter petrol variants both. So please go and check of test drive and walk around video of that. And coming to the side, see the alloy wheels design, so it gets in the gloss black finish of alloy wheels, and see the design of Aura NIOS. And coming to Aura, you get dual tone chrome treatment of Aura and you get gloss black finish in NIOS. Both the disc size are same, and compared to the braking of both the brakes, NIOS is better braking in automatic. Experience Hyundai written both the doors, and white treatment cars and silver finish of door handles on Aura and no chrome door handles of NIOS. Disappointing again. It's a hatchback vehicle and it's a sedan vehicle, see. So only the design is changed, but in the engine placements are completely same of both the cars. And let's check the boot of the NIOS. So this is the boot of the NIOS, and one suitcase, big size suitcase, easily it will be fixed. And coming to Aura, it's a huge boot size because so keyless entry of boot and 402 liters of boot size. Two big suitcases easily it will be fixed in Aura because it's a sedan car. Obviously boot size will be increased both the vehicles comparison. So coming to taillights design, see the design of Aura. It's a smile emoji like Aura written at the center, and design is very unique, and sedan shape of the car is very nice. Coming to NIOS design, here you can see the bold design, hatchback design of taillights, no LEDs on offer. Coming to the Aura, Aura has LEDs, NIOS has no LEDs. Grand i10 old batch, NIOS written at the center, sports written there. This is a rare profile of both the cars. Coming to the rear doors, same treatment of rear doors and same fit finish, and quality of the build quality is also same, but only disappointing in NIOS is no adjustable of headrest and no center armrest. If you see in the Aura, same color treatment, same space, at the 350 can easily travel long journeys. Only best is you have a center armrest with twin cup holders and adjustable of headrest. So this is a comparison video of rear seat, and seating capacity is nothing much difference, and comfort level is also same as compared to both the cars. I have done test drive and walk around video, so nothing much difference in the rear seat, only disappointing of headrest in the NIOS and center armrest. So coming to the driver position of seats, so coming to the driver position of cabin feeling inside the front, so here you can see the silver treatment at the dashboard and same touchscreen placement in Aura and NIOS, and black and silver treatment of interior feeling in the NIOS, and so automatic gearbox here you can see. So disappointing one feature is you won't get the wireless charging pad in NIOS. Disappointing again. It's a small size hatchback and price comparison also very much. So this is the front profile of the NIOS. And coming to Aura, here you can see the copper finish of dashboard. I like the treatment of copper finish in this, and you get the wireless charging pad at the front. This is the coolest feature in Aura. So this is the same design, comfort level is also same, and steering feed and feedback engine is completely same placement, nothing much difference in instrument cluster design and touchscreen. So only difference between the both are some coolest feature and color treatment of dashboard. So now you can see, so these and the opening the doors at the front are the same, and color treatment is also same. Nothing much different between both the cars. It is a sedan car and that is a NIOS as a hatchback small. Both as a shark fin antenna at the top. Here you can see both as a shark fin antenna at the top. But I like the design of this Aura only, and you get more cool features in Aura better than NIOS. And it's a manual transmission, gear lever you can see, and 3 pedals at the down. And car is now display, sorry for that. And nothing much difference of both. This is a walk around video of NIOS and Aura. And coming to inside, so this is a look of dashboard design at the NIOS, and black and common finish of silver and black finish of treatment in the dashboard design, and no auto dimming inside the vehicle. It's obviously in Aura also you won't get auto dimming inside the vehicle, and missing out this charging pad I have said already. And there you can see the pedals of the down are automatic, and this is a steering of adjustable of steering ups and downs. And both the car has the same instrument cluster design, no change at all, and nothing much difference. And this is the interior of NIOS, and some features, coolest features are missing out. And in both the cars you won't get center armrest at the front, and this is a NIOS. And coming to Aura, this is Aura. You get a engine start stop button. You won't get in NIOS engine start stop button. You get with key only you can operate the car. You get keyless entry in Aura, and you won't get also auto dimming inside the vehicle. And charging, so I mean I've said already, charging pad. And copper design of this vehicle is very nice, and instrument cluster is same design, nothing much change. And this infotainment system is also same, speakers is also same, only copper finish on dashboard is changes, and nothing much changes in both the cars, only sedan and hatchback. Some cool features are added in the Aura. I have impressed lot that. And so these are the key placement of both the cars, and nothing much to say. This is a rear profile at the Aura, and slightly better Aura and compared to NIOS. So these are the both the cars, difference between Aura and NIOS. I have done comparison video of walk around. Nothing much difference, only a hatchback and sedan has changed. So coming to the front, same look designs of headlights, nothing much, only this front grille has changed. In Aura you get more aggressive compared to NIOS. And the tire profile is also 1 inch increase in the Aura. So the profile of the tire at this NIOS is 165/70 14 inches tires in NIOS, and coming to Aura you get 175/60 15 inches tires. 1 inch is increased in Aura, so you get comfort levels more in Aura only. So nothing price difference, some slightest price difference of this sedan car because of this huge boot space of this sedan car. Obviously you will get price difference. And this is a walk around video of both the cars. So this is a walk around video of both the cars, NIOS and Aura. So both the platforms came from the Hyundai only, at same time launched the cars, and both the cars are running and successful. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. This is a comparison video. If you like, please comment how is the comparison video, and I will do test drive video of both the comparison cars also soonly. Thank you so much guys, bye bye.